My topic is the database, and my name is Lu Yu. And so, what's the database? I think the database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can easily be accessed, managed, and updated. So the database have some related terms. The first one is database tool, and the next one is OLED database, and the third one is database software, and the database engine, and uh, configuration management system, and a database server, and a relational database management system, and a distributed database, and a multi-dimensional database, and a database management system. And I will talk about all the terms later. So the first one is database tool. Database tool is a family of relational database products offered by IBM. Database provides an open database environment that runs on a wide variety of computing platforms. The next term is the OLE database. OL database is a set of COM-based interface that expose data from a variety of sources, such as spreadsheets and project plans, SQL, legacy databases, and more. OLE database interfaces provide applications with uniform access to data stored in diverse information sources or data stores. The next one is database software. The database software is the phrase used to describe any software that is designed for creating databases that managing the information stored in them. And the database software is used for a number of reasons in any industry, from keeping your bookkeeping on text and compiling silent list to running your online website. The database engine is the part of database management system that actually stores and retrieves data. In the most database management systems include an application programming interface that enables you to directly control the engine without going through the database managing system's user interface. So the next one is configuring a management system. This system is a database that contains all relevant information about each item, including the location, status, and also its interconnectivity with other items. The configuring item database is also used to consolidate disparate data sets and be a current and accurate source of information about data within an organization's IT environment. So the next one is the database server. The database server is the term used to refer to the back-end system of a database application using silent server architecture. The back-end, sometimes called a database server, performs tasks such as data analysis, storage, data manipulation, archiving, and other non-user specific tasks. The database management system is also one of related items. The database management system is a collection of programs that enable you to store, modify, and extract information from a database. There are many different types of database management systems, running from small systems that run on personal computers to huge systems that run on mainframes. The distributed database consists of two or more data fields located at different sites on a computer network. Because the database is distributed, different users can access it without interfering with one another. The relational database management system is that stores data in the form of related tables. Relational databases are powerful because they require few assumptions about how data is related or how it will be extracted from the database. As a result, the same database can be viewed in many different ways. The last one is the multidimensional database. It's a database management system organized around groups of records that share a common field value. Multidimensional databases are often generated from relational databases. So these are all related terms, and this slide is talk about the Google Cloud SQL. The Google Cloud SQL is MySQL database that lives in Google's cloud. And this Google Cloud SQL is easy to use and not require any software installation or monitoring. Ideal for small to medium-sized applications. So the database scaling is scaled up by adding hardware processing power. NoSQL is scaled out by spreading the load. So this is the history of the non-SQL. You can see in the picture in 1970 it's called relational mode, and to 2010s it's Vault that database. So what's the NoSQL? As NoSQL is the database provides a mechanism for storage and retrieval of data, which is modeled in means other than the tabular relations used in relational databases. And here are some challenges of the non-SQL. The first one is lack of maturity. Numerous solutions still in their beta stages, and the lack of commercial support for enterprise users. The lack of support for data analysis, and the last one is maintenance efforts and skills are required. Experts are hard to find. And here are some solutions that we can have the key value stores and the Chrome family stores, document database, graph database, in addition, object and RDF database, as well as tuple stores. Here are all my presentations. Thank you very much.